Hey guys, we're going through a bunch of BTS's Sowozoo muster goods. I've got a bunch of different items here. We have postcards, badges, photo cards, earrings, and a glass set. So let's go through the postcards first. They have way more items than what I got, but I just got the items that appealed to me the most. So these are quite thick, and it looks like they're just glued, so you could just tear it out if you wanted to and just frame it or something like that. Alright. Oh, jeez. It's like in a book, so I could almost like pull this out if I wanted from this like white cover. Alright, let's look at the badge next. So we've got, there we go. So you get two little badges. One here has a little star dangle or square. And then you've got like the infinity sign, square. Oh, not sure which way that one would go, but two little badges. Here's the backs. Not really the pins I like for the backs, but because I like the black cushiony ones. But that's alright. It'll be going on my pin banner. And then we've got earrings. Okay, where's this? What's this box open? Okay. Oh, this is very nice. Okay. Let's see if I can get one out. There we go. So quite thick. An earring has a good weight to it. And then here is the design. And then just like a little... I only really wear one earring. It's the one on the top of my ear, so we'll see. Other than that, I only really wear earrings for like when I'm going to work or something like that. Next, we'll look at the glasses. These ones I love because I want to put like other display type items in them. It's kind of like my idea. So nicely bubble wrapped. Thought there was 4 glasses, but I guess it's just 2. So let's see. Just has a sticker on the bottom. I don't know how well you can see it, but and then little designs. Here's more of the logo-y type looking one. And then it looks like we get a photo card here in the bottom. So there we go. Okay. Put the bubble wrap back in here and just set the glasses in. I'm going to have to put them. They're going in like this for now. Alright. And the photo card. And then now we have all the photo cards. So this one's the 10-pack sets. When you buy the 10-pack set, you get one special one. And then these other ones are the same as these. So I bought 3 extra because that's the max you could get. So So let's see how complete of a set I'll get. Oh, there's a sticker. It's like the struggle is real today. Okay, so this is the mini photo card set. Let's look at the white ones first. Let me pull these out then. So I'm probably just going to lay them out and stack one on top of the next if I have to. Normally you get one of each member and then a unit one. So here we get like a little special J-Hope, which is a message card, number 1 of 8. Then we got RMs, 4, Jin, 6, Suga, 8, Jimin. I was about to be like Jin. Jimin, 3. B, 6. Jungkook, 2. And our unit 1, 8. Alright, so we'll just stack each members on top. Yeah. So our special message card one, we have Jimin's. So here is the message. I know I was trying to focus on Jin's face down there. There we go. Alright, where are you at, Jimin? Right there. RMs, 6. Oh, looks like we had duplicates. J-Hopes, 2. V, 4. Duplicate. And then a unit, 4. Oh, we got J-Hope duplicate. Looks like we got an RM1, Jin's, number 4, Suga, number 4. It's probably going to try and focus on everybody behind. 5, that's a duplicate. 4. I don't know if you care about the numbers, so I'm just going to keep going. 7. Right, we got RMs. Let me just flip it for his message. Am I even holding this the right way? No. Come on. Oh, I just want to focus on anyone's face. All right. Yay, Suga's message card. Man down. We got Jimin's. These duplicate. Okay. Ooh, got a lot of J-Hopes. 4 more after this one. Yay, these. And his message. Sugar. That's a duplicate. Hey! Almost all the members' message cards then. I think I just need wet gins now. Maybe Shugas as well. Right. 2 more after this one. Yay, and I got Shugas. So now I just need gins. Got 2 packs left to get gins. Last one, and then the special pack. So it looks like I just missed gins for these little message cards. All right, now the little special one. Ugh. Looks like they're holding tickets, maybe. It's the bag. So I think there's only one of these, so you had to buy the 10 pack to get these cards. And there they all are. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna put this one over here. Came with the glass. Alright, well that is everything from this that I bought. Of course, they probably have posters, acrylic like key rings and stickers and a bunch of other stuff, but I got what I wanted, at least. I love photo cards, so of course I had to buy as many as they'd let me get. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which item you like best that I bought. The earrings, I really liked those too. But the glasses, I think I'm going to have really nice with these because I want to display them and then maybe put things in them like, I don't know, maybe their light stick or maybe some of the little mini BT21 figures or something like that. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to put in there. I should put the TXT keys in there for their one album because I've already lost them like twice and then refound them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next video, bye guys.